Wale wote walikuwa wamefikisha 70 years hawakuwa wamesajiliwa, tumewasajili na hivi karibuni wataanza kupokea haki yao. Again, katika mambo ya masomo tumerekebisha mambo ya CBC ambayo wazazi na walimu na watoto walikuwa wanalia, na tumeleta mambo ya JSS na tumeambia walimu hata kama mtoto hana dawati ama uniform, pana fukuza wacha akae na ile uniform ya zamani, mzazi wake akipata ingine ampatie. Tumeambia hii walimu wapana fukuza watoto, na yule mwalimu atafukuza mtoto kwa sababu ya uniform kwa JSS, kabla mtoto afike nyumbani mwalimu atakuwa ametangulia. Nitoraibidhania na hao waheshimiwa tusaidie. Mkiona mwalimu ambaye anafukuza watoto mambo ya JSS, mtuambie. Huyo mwalimu tutatuma yeye nyumbani angoje mtoto huko, kwa sababu wazazi wako na matatizo mengi, na apewe nafasi atafute pesa ya uniform akiendelea na ile ya zamani. Madarasa ilikuweko waendelee kusoma. Hiyo maneno tumekubaliana na ni mambo ambaye ni mzuri na tutaendelea. Kwa hivyo watu ya Gobet niseme asante sana, na vile tumesema umoja wa hii jamii yetu ya Mount Kenya ni muhimu, na viongozi wote wamesema wazi. Labda Mwangi Kujuri huku sikia vile waliongea, walisema the mountain should be united behind President William Ruto. Kwa hivyo there is no contradiction or conflict. Sisi tunasema ya kwamba rais alichaguliwa na hii watu ya mlima 87%. Tunataka kutafuta ile 13% ambayo ilikuwa nje, tuilete iunge rais wetu mkono. But we cannot do that when we divide the community. Na ndio kulipokuwa na maongeo hapo mbeleni, ndio ilifanya hii debate ya umoja wa mlima ianze, ya kusema tukawe watu ya Kiambu, watu ya Nyeri, watu ya Murang'a, tukaona tutapotea kama jamii. Sisi tunataka tuunganisha watu wetu wote behind President William Ruto, and also cement our relevance in the national political discourse. Todo hinya wito ne orumweke wito. And we know as a region, Honorable Mwangi Kujore, you know how this region has suffered when we were divided. In the year 1992, you can remember, one group, Nyeri, Laikipia, Nyandarua, parts of Nakuru, Kirinyaga, Meru, and Embu, Tharaka Nithi, we went with President Mwai Kibaki. Another group of Murang'a, Kiambu, part of Nairobi went with Kenneth Matiba, and we were out in the opposition. The same happened in 1997. But from 2002, this region learned its lessons and decided to be speaking in one voice so that they can remain in government at all times. And since this region found the formula of being in government and being relevant, we have remained in government to date. In 2002, 2007, 2013, 2017, 2022, we behaved in a clever manner by casting our vote as a region in total. And that is what has given us an opportunity to either lead government or to be part of government. And that is what we want to continue. And we must make sure that this region remains in government forever, in eternity. And that's why I've said, as the leader in this region, it is also my responsibility to make sure this region remains united and remains in government today, tomorrow, the day after, and years to come. And that is why the call for unity behind President William Ruto and our own unity as a region is important. And that we shall continue telling our people, because it's important that we remind our people the challenges we had when we were divided and the gains and the progress we have made when we are united, so that our people are well informed. Because as leaders, we have a responsibility all times to talk to our people. Lakini sisi wote nikiongoza hao mawaziri, wabunge wetu wote katika eneo hili, tumeungana nyuma ya President wetu William Ruto, tunamsaidia kwa kazi na tutaendelea kumsaidia, tutaendelea kumuunga mkono na tutaendelea kuenda pamoja na yeye katika zile miradi ambaye amepanga, kwa sababu yeye anatuongoza vyema na tuko na juhudi ya kumsaidia na kumuunga mkono, sio leo peke yake, hata tukielekea mbele. Kati watu wetu kanyu nimukwenda kwa gayanio, nimukwenda kwa gayanio, tuliana yageke urume witu niguo hinya witu, na ria mwaritie mweke mwena hinya ta nyumba, na gutiri handu hangiario tutariho. No tungiganyaganio tungigayukana tunginyaganio ta bai matheru, na twikore twi handu hacheke. Koguo ni tuguthie na mbere na kwaria na andu aitu na kumaririkania hathara iria twanathie ta nyumba rĩrĩa twagayukanĩte, na faida iria tuonete kuma rĩrĩa tuohĩgire tukinyitana, tugũikara tukiaragia maundu macio tondũ nĩ maundu mega, na no tũrakĩona kũrĩa kũngĩ andũ no marakĩaria manyitane, na no wega nao manyitane nigetha tucoke tuke tucemanie ithuothe tunyitanĩte. Western inyitane, Twale inyitane, North Eastern inyitane, coke tucemanie ithuothe Kenya tunyitane. No tutinginyitana Kenya twambĩte kunyitana gwitu, andu manyitane kwao mathondeke maiguithanie, arĩa angĩ maiguithanie, na ndirakena ngiona andu angĩ arĩa matarĩ manyitana nĩ monete athara yakwa ya kunyitana, onao marauga manyitane nigetha maundu mao magĩre. Koguo ithuĩ tũĩ baita ya kunyitana, tutingĩtĩkĩra kũgayũkana tondũ no tũthiĩ athara ĩrĩa twarathiĩ. Koguo niĩ nĩ ndakena mũno andũ a Goveti, na nĩ tũrĩũka rĩngĩ ũhoro wa green card. Moga nĩ cia andũ hetagwo atĩa? Nĩ mũkũhe mĩeri 3? Nĩ mũhe mĩeri 3? Mũhe mĩeri ĩigana? Cio wĩra nĩ ngũruta, nĩ mũruti wĩra mũno niĩ, ndirĩ gĩthayo na ndirĩ kĩgũta. Ngĩnyitĩkana handũ harutwo ndwara nĩgetha tũteithĩke nĩ ndutaga. Koguo wĩra ũcio ndigĩrai mĩeri ĩigana? Ndigũcoka handũ mũrehere, ka tũtiaiguithania. Cio nĩ ngũruta, nĩ wĩra mũhũthũ na nĩ wĩra ndũĩ na nĩ wĩra ngũhota, na nĩ ngwanjania nĩguo ndacoka Nairobi hwaĩ-inĩ gwĩkinya rũcio. Tũgĩkinya Friday nĩ ngũkorwo thondekete raini na ngona njĩra, na nĩ ngũng'ang'ana nĩgetha ndige ndona nĩ mwateithĩka. Nĩ twarĩkanĩra ũguo? Tũtiagĩkena nĩguo twamũkĩra wega. Ndacoka Nairobi ngeithie President witũ William Ruto, ndĩmwĩre nĩ mwamũgeithia, nĩ mũmwendete, nĩ mũramũhoera, nĩ mũkũmũnyitĩrĩra. Niĩ nani nĩ ndakena mũno nigetha tũhote gũthiĩ hau hangĩ. Asanteni sana, Ngai witũ amũrathime na mwĩke wega. Thank you.